Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Garrett.
And we are the Leffersons.
Yes, we are.
And we have a mystery pin unboxing today. Oh geez, they're falling already. But we have a mystery pin unboxing today. But before we get started with opening the pins, we would like to thank all of you who entered our 2K giveaway. We had hundreds enter, like hundreds, and Garrett's still fighting a sickness here.
I don't know.
If you follow us on Instagram, you know that Garrett had like the flu yesterday.
I'm still fighting it.
And he's still fighting it. He stayed home from work today.
Yeah.
But he feels okay to film a video. I mean, we're opening pins, so this can't be that hard, right? This is supposed to make you feel better. So we will announce our giveaway winners at some point this week. It's gonna take us time to like get everything ready. And Garrett was planning to do all that and he's just not been feeling well. So just know that it's going to happen, and we're super excited to figure out who the giveaway winner is going to be. But for now, let's open some pins.
All right, so we essentially have two pin boxes that we are opening up. We have the limited edition Princess and the Frog puzzle pieces. And so there's 10 total altogether, and we have 8 boxes.
We do.
So, I mean, obviously we don't want all of them, but we're not gonna say what we want because it's always a jinx. But then
maybe we should say what we don't want.
No.
Okay.
And then the other one is the VHS tape covers. I haven't seen these before, but Alyssa really wants these.
They're a thing. I've seen like the Game Boys open them. I'll leave their channel link down below and their unboxing. And they're like huge VHS pins, and you can get some really fun ones on the back. We really like Toy Story, and I think one of the mystery ones is Beauty and the Beast. I don't know what the other mystery one is.
There's only 1 pin per box of the puzzle pieces. So I already have it open. They come in these black blind bags.
So they're limited edition of 900, or there's 2 chaser pins that are limited edition of 500 each.
So I got these are sizable. So I got
the same sizes are up ones.
Yeah. What is his name?
That's the...
He's Papa. He's big guy Papa.
Yeah, he's Charlotte's dad.
Forget his name.
I forget his name. You guys can comment down below what all their names are. We're not gonna know all their names.
And all these,
it is what it is.
All these are limited edition 900.
That's one that we didn't want, in case if you're wondering. So that one was not a chaser.
No.
Yeah. All right, so let's see what I'm gonna pull. Another one that we didn't want. This is like Dr. Facilier's sidekick, because he's the guy that...
It's Prince Naveen's handler. And then he is jealous of Prince Naveen, so he works with Dr. Facilier.
Yeah, but that's why I call him his sidekick, because he's like helping Dr. Facilier. Meh, this is another limited edition of 900, not a chaser.
I'm okay with this pin because we got ourselves Lewis, and what's the firefly's name?
Ray. Yeah.
And he sings that song to Evangeline, his love in the sky.
I like that one.
Evangeline.
I like that one. Okay. Let's see what else we're gonna get.
Let's see.
Boo, a double. Boo. And we found out that his name is Lawrence. So here's Lawrence, and we have 2 of him. So if anyone's looking for him, here he is. Limited edition of 900.
I opened mine, and we have Tiana's mom and dad.
That's a good one.
So that's a good one.
I like that one.
Nice and family oriented.
Yeah, I like that one. All right, let's see.
Is this your last one?
I don't know.
This is my last one.
Yeah, I'm just kind of sad. All right, so we got
Mama Odie.
Mama Odie. That's kind of a fun one to have.
It is a fun one. And another double. So we got nothing that we really wanted.
I've only opened 3 pins though.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I've only opened 3 pins.
Are you sure? Oh, last ditch.
We have one more pin. We have one more pin. Alert, alert.
One more pin.
One more pin. Please be something.
Fingers crossed out there, people. Let's see what happens.
Please be something that I want.
It's not. It never is.
I can't get this out. Okay, all right.
Okay.
This is a good one. This is a good one to end with. It is Tiana and Prince Naveen, and they are
married.
Yeah, at the end of the movie when they get married. I love this pin. This is definitely one of the ones that I wanted, but we didn't get any chasers, and
It is what it is.
Let me just tell you the pins that I wanted now that we've opened this, because we didn't get any of the ones that I wanted except for Tiana and Prince Naveen. I want Charlotte. I want her so bad. She's really the only one that I wanted.
So if you have Charlotte and you want to trade for
So if you have
Lawrence,
Charlotte, please.
hit us up.
You can trade. We'll trade for any of them except for this one. We'll trade for any of them except for this one. I just really want Charlotte. Boo.
So up next we have the VHS tape covers. So these look like they're from like the golden age.
Yeah.
Oh, they're like a whole thing.
Oh my gosh! Yay! We got one of the ones that we wanted.
Okay. Hold on, peeps. Let's as I kick you. So it's a double pin back, and we got Beauty and the Beast, of course. But does it open?
It looks like it opens, but I don't think it does.
Oh, fiddlesticks.
Yeah, I think they were trying to figure that out in other videos I've watched.
All right, so it's Beauty and the Beast VHS, and then on the side it has Beauty and the Beast, and it looks like it can open, but I don't think it can.
No, it can't. I love that it looks like the old school VHS movies. All right, other one. What did we get for the second one? Oh, all right. We had a good ending. We got Toy Story.
The original.
The original. And those were the two that we really wanted. I don't even know what the other chaser is.
I don't know.
Haven't really looked it up or anything.
One of them is Beauty and
this
the
one's
Beast.
super fun. And I love that it says Toy Story on the side. This is what the back looks like, double pin back. These are super fun. Like I don't want them all because I don't like all of the movies, but I do like the ones that we got. I'm glad that we got the ones that we wanted. So we ended on a good note, but this is really the only pin that I'm really happy about from the Princess and the Frog collection. It's just frustrating because you spend all that money on the boxes and then you don't get what you want. I know that we do that, you know, for fun and for you guys.
Some people go to the casino, we buy pins.
Exactly. It's kind of like gambling. Not really.
So
I think it's a better form of gambling.
Yeah.
But yeah, we will be putting some of these up for trade. So if you are collecting this, let us know. Hit us up on Instagram if you see some of these that you are needing for your collection. Because I just really, really want Charlotte. I just really, really want her.
if you like what we do here, go ahead and give it a thumbs up because we're running out of time.
And leave a comment down below. Let us know what your favorite pin was. Let us know what you thought about both of these different pin unboxings.
And if you have any to trade.
And subscribe to our channel for more Disney content. We will see you tomorrow. Bye.
See you later.